Okay, capital letters and punctuation in quotations. Okay, let's look at our box. Use capital letters and punctuation to write direct quotations correctly. Always capitalize the first word of a quotation. Use a comma to separate a quotation from the words that tell who is speaking. Put punctuation inside the last quotation mark. So that would be like your period. Okay. When a quotation starts a sentence, put a comma at the end of the statement. Use the usual end punctuation for questions and exclamations. Look at their examples. Notice we have a capital here. Angelina exclaimed, comma, quote, "What a big tree!" exclamation point, quote. Okay. Look down here. Quote, the redwood is a unique tree, comma, quote, G agreed, period. Quote, do you think we can climb it, question mark, quote, asked Angela, period. Okay, so look, we've got commas, we've got exclamation points, we've got quotes. You need to really read carefully to figure out where these go. Okay? So let's look at sentence 1 we'll do together. Write the quotation correctly. So it's not a name and it doesn't say said here, so I'm going to assume the first part of this is my quote. And look at it. Write quotations correctly. Shall we look for something to eat? The woodpecker asked. Okay, so there's a question there. So I'm going to make sure I have quotes and a question mark. I'm just putting notes to myself. I'm still going to have to rewrite it. Okay. The woodpecker asked. And there's going to be a period there. So now I can rewrite it. So I'm going to start with my quote. Capitalize, because that's the beginning of a sentence. It's also the beginning of a quote. Shall we look for something to eat? Question mark, quote. Okay. And then I put the, oops, too much space there. The woodpecker asked. And this is going to end in a period. Okay? So, I put my quote, capitalized. Shall we look for something to eat? Question mark, quote. The woodpecker asked, period. Okay? Do the rest on your own. If you need help or you have trouble pronouncing a word, ask. Make sure you refer up to your sample box and our notes. Now it's your turn. And that is page 308. Oh, and you know what? I forgot to put my name at the top. So make sure you put your name at the top. Now it's your turn.